This is question 10 on exercise 5.4. This is on page 195 of your workbook. What we are given is 3 points. A, B, and C lies on a straight line and their coordinates are given respectively. Only for C, it is given as x plus 1, comma, for x minus 2. That is its x and y coordinate. Find the value of x. So how do I find the value of x since I know that 3 points lie on the same straight line, 3 points on a straight line? I can state that their gradients are the same. So gradient of AB equals to gradient of BC. So how to find gradient? Remember, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I use the coordinate. I use my formula for gradient. Okay? So the y values, the y coordinates minus over the x coordinate, then that's what we'll get. Okay, this is coordinate of A, coordinate of B, this is coordinate of B, and coordinate of C. Okay, then after that I simplify the numerator, the denominator one by one. This is what I will get. Then do the cross multiply, and then I solve for x. I've gotten my x as 3. Next, the next question, they ask us to express AB and AC as column vectors. Before I do that, I can actually express what is OA, OB, and OC. OA, given the coordinate, I can write this down. OB, also given the coordinate, I can write this down. OC, I have to substitute in what's the x value, so you can see here, and I got OC. So first, how to find AB? I use OA plus OB. Okay, sorry, AO plus OB. And with that, AO plus OB, I'll get negative of OA plus OB. How to find AC? AO plus OC. Okay, this is what we'll get. This is my final answer. AB, AC. Part C. Find the coordinates of point D if CD, the CD vector is equals to 0, negative 22. So what is OD? Coordinate of D, we need to find OD. Okay, OD is OC plus CD, so I put in. And with that, I can write down the coordinate of D as D, 4, negative 12. Find the coordinates, part D. Find the coordinates of E such that ACED is a parallelogram. Okay, so even if you don't know how does the shape of a parallelogram, or rather the position of the points, you just label down this ACED. We know that these two lines must be parallel, and we know that these two lines must be parallel. Okay, so when we talk about DE is parallel to AC. Okay, from point D to E is equals to the point A to C. So with that, DE is 8, 16. And how do I find OE when I already have DE? Since I already have OD, I'm using the point OD plus DE. OD is found in part C. DE is here. Okay, so with that, put in the coordinate, put in the points, put in the numbers, you'll get OE as 12, 4. So with that, we can actually test. So I have my 12, 4. How to test? We test whether AD and CE are equal, are they equal? So A, we have it as -4 and -6. C, I have it as 4, 10. D, I have it as 4, -12. Okay, it is not accurate, my drawing, but I want to prove that these two lines are actually the same vectors. Okay, so let us take a look at AD first. How to find AD is to find AO, which is the coordinate of A. Using the coordinate of A, AO plus OD, I get AD. Next, how to find CE? Following that, C to O, O to E. Okay, since they are the same, this is the test. Therefore, the coordinate of E works. Okay, so therefore, the coordinate of E will be 12, 4. It works.